Hello all, welcome to this session. In this session, I'm going to answer one of the Java interview questions. That is, write a Java program for sorting an array. Let me answer this question with practical demonstration. There are multiple ways of sorting the numbers in the array by writing a Java program. Okay, I'm going to explain you two ways using which you can sort the numbers inside an array in the Java. Okay, the first way is by using a predefined static method of arrays class, arrays.sort method. The second way is by using the bubble sort algorithm. Okay, so in the interviews, if you go with a normal static predefined method like sort method and do that, okay, it may not impress the interviewer. But as an additional stuff, apart from the bubble sort algorithm, you can also demonstrate sort predefined static method of the arrays class to sort the numbers in the array, which is the simplest way. You can say that this is the simplest way. Apart from that, if now to prove my logic, my logical skills, I want to write a bubble sort algorithm, okay, to sort the numbers in the array. You have to mention the context, okay. If I want the simplest way, I can simply use the sort predefined static method of the arrays class. If I want to prove my logical skill, so I'll also demonstrate the sorting of numbers in the array by using or implementing the bubble sort algorithm. You have to mention, okay. If you mention like this and explain or write the programs, okay, for sorting the numbers in the array, the interviewer will definitely get impressed. So without any delay, let's move on to the practical demonstration. For practical demonstration, here I'll just create a new class. I'll just create a new class, guys. Just create a new class. Array sort demo 1. Okay, array sort demo 1 with main method, some random class name I'm giving. With main method I created. First, I will show you the simplest way, guys. Okay, the simplest way. If there are some predefined static methods and we can use them to sort the numbers in the array, who don't want to use them? Okay, before you write the program in real time, also you don't have to write the bubble sort algorithm every time to sort the numbers in the array, right? You can simply use this predefined static method of the arrays class to sort the numbers in the array. Okay, in ascending order, etc. But if you want to prove your logical skills, program writing skills in the interviews, then you have to go for the bubble sort algorithm. So by mentioning that context, you explain this answer for this question by writing these two programs. Okay, the interviewer will definitely get impressed. Integer array AR is equal to, I'll just give some list of values like 9, 5, 1, 7, 6, 2, 0, 3, 4, okay, 8. Like this, some numbers I gave, guys. Some numbers I gave. I want to sort these numbers. Before sorting these numbers, if I want to print this array, what is the best way to print the array numbers? You have to use arrays predefined class and call a method known as toString method. In the toString method, you have to pass this name of the array and run the code before sorting the elements in the or numbers in the array. Okay, how the array is looking like, we can see here 9517, exactly same order, 9517 620348 620348. Now I would like to sort. For sorting, we have to use arrays predefined class and it has a predefined static method known as sort method. To this sort method, you have to pass the array name, okay, and the sort method will sort the numbers in the array. And now after this sort method is applied to the array, if you print out the array the same way, arrays.toString of AR, if you write like this and run the code, the next 15th line, when the 15th line runs, you will see the array printed in sorted order, okay, of the numbers 0, 1, 2, 3. You see here 9517 is there. Here 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 is there. Okay, so this is the one way of sorting the okay array elements. Okay, this is a one way of sorting the array elements. So apart from this, we also have another way where to prove your programming logical skills or programming writing skills in the interviews. You may go with this process, though simplest way is available, but still if you want to impress the interviewer by mentioning that this is the simplest way, but I can also write bubble sort algorithm, like that you have to take the control and write the code here. Okay, sort demo 2, I'll say some random name, click on finish. This time I'm going to write the bubble sort algorithm to get the same output, that is sorting of the things. Integer array AR is equal to semicolon, here give list of numbers here 9 comma 5 comma 1 comma 7 comma 6 comma 0 comma 2 comma 3 comma okay 8 comma 4 okay, like that I gave some numbers. Now I would like to sort this. How to sort this with the help of bubble sort algorithm? So first of all, just go here. What happens in the bubble sort algorithm I have to explain first. Okay, whenever I have to explain this, I'll just copy this guys. Okay, I'll just copy this list of numbers in the array. Okay, so here I'll just paste it here. I'll just paste the array elements here. So you see how many elements are there? First of all, count 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Total 10 elements are there. So here there will be, how many iterations will be there here? There will be 9 iterations, guys. Okay, there will be 9 iterations. If there are 10 elements, 10 minus 1 is 9 iterations. So 9 iterations will happen. This is the first iteration, guys. Whatever you are seeing on the screen is the first iteration. The first iteration, what is happening? 9 and 5 will be compared. Okay, the first two numbers are getting, two adjacent numbers are getting compared. Since 9 is greater than 5, they will swap their positions in the first iteration. So otherwise I'll not disturb this one. This is the original one. I'll just copy here so that this is the original one. This is where the iterations are happening. The first iteration, what is happening? 9 will be compared with 5 and 5 will go here and 9 will go here. It will not stop there. Again, this second and third number, adjacent numbers will be compared. Here 9 is greater than 1. So 1 will come here, 9 will come here. Then 9 and 7 will be compared. Here 7 will come here. They will be swapping their positions. Okay, simply they are swapping. Here's 9 and 6. 9 is greater than 6. So 6 will come here, 9 will come here. Then 9 and 0. 0 will come here, 9 will go here. Then 9 and 2. 2 will come here and 9 will go here. Then 9 and 3. 3 will come here and 9 will go here. Then 9 and 8. 8 is less. So 8 will come to the left side, 9 will go to the right side. 9 and 4 finally. 4 will come to the left side, 9 will go to the right side. And as a result of this, a bubble got created. This is a bubble, guys. The biggest number is a bubble. Okay. In the next iteration, this is the first iteration, guys, where 9 is the largest number. Is created as a bubble onto the right side. In the next iteration, this 9 will not be considered. Okay, this 9 will not be considered in the next iteration, guys. Okay, only these numbers will be compared. In the next iteration, these first two numbers, 5, 1, 5 is greater than 1. So 1 will come here, 5 will come here. 5 and 7, 5 is less than 7. So they'll not swap. 7 and 6, 7 is greater than 6. So 6 will come here and 7 will come here. 7 and 0, 7 is greater than 0. So 0 will come here and 7 will come here. Okay, 7, 2, 2 is less than 7. So 2 will come here and 7 is greater than here. 7, 3, 3 will come here and 7 will come here. 7 will come here. Then 7 and 8, same positions. 8, 4, 4 will come here and 8 will come here. Which is the largest number here? 9. 8, sorry, 8. Okay, so what will happen here is hyphen. Okay, 9 will be there. Okay, copy this. This time another number is popped out as a bubble here. Now these things will be compared. Okay, these numbers will be compared. Earlier 8, 4 was there, then 9 came out. Then this time, okay, remaining numbers are there. Remaining numbers will be there. So which number will come out? Let's see. Okay, so 1, 5, no changes. 5, 6, no changes. 6, 0, changes. 0 is less, so it will come to the left side, and 6 will go to the right side. 6, 2, 2 will come to the left side. 6 will go to the right side. 6, 3, 3 will go to the left side. 6 will go to the right side. 6 and 7, no changes. 7, 4, 4 will go to the left side. 7 will go to the right side. Now 7 become the another bubble here. So 7 will take this position, guys. Okay. Before the next iteration, 7 will go here, and remaining elements are this one. Now copy this and paste it here. Now in the next total 9 iterations, total 10 elements are there, right? First iteration, second iteration, third iteration, fourth iteration, total 9 iterations will happen. You can see that 1, 5, no changes. 5, 0, changes. 0 will come to the left side, 5 will go to the right side. 5, 2, 2 will come to the left side, 5 will go to the right side. 5, 3, 3 will come to the left side, 5 will go to the right side. 5, 6, no changes. 6, 4, 4 will come to the left side, 6 will go to the right side. Now we got one more bubble here, that is 6. We got the bubble as 6. 6 will go here. Okay, that's it. Now copy this. Fifth iteration. We are going to the fifth iteration, guys. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. In the fifth iteration, 1, 0. 0 will come to the left side, 1 will go to the right side. 1, 2, no changes. 2, 3, no changes. 3, 5, no changes. 5, 4. 4 will come to the left side, 5 will go to the right side. So 5 is the next bubble here. 5 will come here, comma. Okay, like this. Now copy this. Now sixth iteration will go on where these bubbles will not be compared anymore. Once they formed the bubbles, right? The comparison for the bubbles will not happen. Already the largest numbers that are there are going to the right side. Once they form as the bubbles, right? That's why this is called as bubble sort algorithm. Once the bubbles are sorted here, the remaining elements or numbers or elements of the array only will be compared and swapped. Okay, 0, 1, no changes. 1, 2, no changes. 2, 3, no changes. 3, 4, no changes. So 4 is formed as a bubble here. That's it, done. The next one here, 0, 1, no changes, 1, 2, no changes, 2, 3, no changes. 3 is the next bubble. 3 will be going to this side and remaining elements are left out here. Then copy this. Here 0, 1, 1, 2, no changes. 2 will become the next bubble. Then last iteration, because only two numbers are there to compare between each other, 0 and 1. So, okay. 0 and 1. So copy this. 0, 1. And here 0, 1 will be compared and 1 is the biggest, largest. So it will come here and sorted here. So there is no need to go with another iteration because only one number is there. 0, 1, 2, 3, 4 will be sorted here. How many iterations? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Total 9 iterations. There are 10 elements. It will be 9 iterations. Okay. And the last element, already bubble sorted element should not be compared. Okay. During the process. These are the rules. Now to implement this in the bubble sort algorithm, I'll write the for loop for int I is equal to 0, I less than AR dot length, size of the array, that is 10, minus 1 I'll say. Why I'm saying minus 1, I'll tell you. Starting from 0 to AR dot length is 10, minus 1 is 9, I less than 9 is up to 8, 0 to 8. That means 9 iterations. 0 to 8 means 9 iterations. That's why we have to write the logic like this. This external for loop, this particular for loop should iterate how many times? 9 times. Okay. 0 to 8 means 0 to index 0 to index 8 means 9 times. So it will be satisfied. That's why we have to give minus 1 there. Okay. So this is the logic we have to write. 9 iterations we have to iterate. Starting from the index 0 to that, we have to do that. And internally, I'll write one more for loop. Int j is equal to 0, j less than AR dot length minus 1, same thing, minus I, extra minus I will be there here. Why? Because after every iteration, one of the element will be bubble sorted and the bubbles sorted number will not be compared with these numbers, adjacent numbers. Okay. To avoid that, in the first iteration, the value of I will be 0. So it will be minus 0 only. In the second iteration, one of the element will be bubble sorted. So minus 1, I'll say, because the last number should not be compared with adjacent numbers. So that's the reason. Okay. I plus plus, sorry, j plus plus, j plus plus. And here, what I have to do, guys, every iteration I have to compare the adjacent numbers. Okay, adjacent numbers I have to compare. In every iteration, I have to keep comparing the adjacent number till we reach the end, except the bubble sorted numbers. Okay, AR of if AR of array of j is greater than AR of j plus plus. Next number, if the AR of j is greater than AR of j plus plus, then I have to swap. I have to swap the numbers. Okay, the biggest number has to go to the right side and smallest number has to go to the left side. That's what we are doing here. Okay, with this logic. Here I'll write down int swapping. How to do the swapping? Int temp is equal to AR of, okay, int temp is equal to, we have to swap the number. So j, let's say j, then AR of j is equal to AR of j plus 1, then AR of j plus 1 is equal to temp. This will swap these two numbers in the AR of j and AR of j plus 1 when this particular condition is satisfied. Otherwise, if the condition is not satisfied, they will not swap the number. Simple. Okay. Now, after doing all this stuff, right, what happens at the end of the for loop? At the end of the for loop, all the elements in the array will be sorted. Okay. Using this is a bubble sort algorithm, guys. System.out.println, system.out.println. And if I print out the arrays dot to string of AR, if I print like this, right click, run as Java application. Observe that the array elements got sorted here. Original array is like 95176023884, but here you see after applying the bubble sort algorithm 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Okay, so these are the two logics, guys, we have to write. So I'll just copy this code. You can take a screenshot, guys. If you want, you can take a screenshot of this code and practice in your machine. Hope you have taken the screenshot of this first way. And I'll come here. I'll just write down way 1. I'll write the code here. Okay. Then the second way, the notes also, it will be there. The code will be there in the notes also. Okay. You can take it from there. And second way is like this. Second way is using the bubble sort algorithm. We can take a screenshot if you want. If you want, you can just give me a second. You can take a screenshot if you want now. Yeah. Hope that you have taken the screenshot. I'm just copying this code and also providing this as part of the notes. Way 2. These are the notes. Done. Fine. So these are the multiple ways of sorting the elements inside an array. Okay. The elements inside an array in Java programs. Okay. By using the predefined method, sort predefined method of static predefined method of the arrays class, or by using the bubble sort algorithm, we can sort the elements inside the array. There may be other ways also, but these are the general major ways that people use in real time. So hope guys you got the answer for this question with practical demonstration. So that's all for this session. Thank you. Bye bye.